That's my intro. Deal with it. Let's go. Whoa, Jojo is going crazy. Holy shit, Bri, okay? That's gonna be probably going on through a video. Yo! What do you mean, Mao? It doesn't give me any context. Explain yourself, brother. Okay. Hold up. He just wanted to play. So, I got friendly fired. Okay, we're opening the second set of Flower Girl. Ooh, we got a promo card in here. Interesting. That's cool. Thank you, seller. I'm gonna shuffle them. I don't know if that does something, but just in case. Alright, is this really the second set or is that the continuation of the first set? I don't know. Like, meaning you have the same cards, but you have more chances to get epic shit. Because I haven't really seen the card list for this set. Hey, we got Bocchi de Rook. Looking cute. Damn. Alright, awesome. And we got TGR. I think that's quite high rarity. But it doesn't look very interesting. I'm not gonna lie. The shine is cool, but I just don't like the color palette. Man, I'm bleeding. I'm dying out. Do you have anything to say in your defense, Jojo? Now you're silent, huh? Okay, let's see what the promo pack... Oh, it's Flower Girl promo pack. Cool. Didn't know they have that. And holy shit, it looks awesome. Camera, thank you. Warning for those who can't hear this sound, but I'm gonna scratch the card now. You hear that? That's also how it feels. Awesome. We have Atsunamiku, which I pretty sure I had in the first box. So I'm not that sure that this is the second set. Maybe I don't get it. I don't know. I see a lot of new characters. Maybe this rarity isn't that special. So I suppose this is their version of 2 yuan, I guess. But I don't know if that means we have high chances for getting the rarities, or do we have unique rarities to this set, but the SR is the same. Looks so amazing. Holy shit, this leg looks juicy. Okay, if Church is doing something, god damn it. First, you're making me bleed. Now, you're making me angry. For the context, I already played with him before the shooting this video. And he was chill. But for some reason, he's not that chill anymore. So it looks like Fern from the Freeren anime. But I'm not sure, it could be any girl at this point. With purple hair and purple eyes. In the first box, there were SSRs. Jojo is confirming what I'm saying. But in this box, we have TGR, which I like less than SSR. So that's a shame. He's destroying something. I'm too invested in this to take a look. I don't know why and how, but what I said is totally wrong. This card never was in the previous set. So this set is totally unique. All the cards are unique. Whoa. God damn. This looks awesome. There's a lot of going on here. Some things I like, some things I don't. But most things I do like. Alrighty. Is this also Fate? I don't know, man. Maybe. We got already our first double. What the hell? Yo, Freeren, let's go. That's the card I really wanted. Let's go. And also, again, this SSR was better. Where's SSR? Why? I saw it. The SSR are in this set. But for some reason, we're getting those. This Genshin Impact looks awesome. Oh, man. Freaking CC. Damn. Thank you. Thank you for this card. Awesome. Whoa, yo. There's a little kitty cat. There's a little kitty cat. Awesome. Awesome. Love this. Love to see it. Also very love this. Okay. We have Chica from Kaguya. Cool. What do we have here? Don't know who this is, but she's playing a guitar. Oh my god, another double. She has a sword. Is this Genshin Impact? This was an ASMR pack opening with DCG comrade. She really wants to hug you, huh? That's cool. This face looks weird because she's crying? Screaming? I don't know. But the shine, man. Oh my god, the shine. Hey, another free run. I was happy, but not that happy anymore. Because it's a double. Brother, really. In the first box, you are forgiven everything. You are forgiven everything. Holy shit, let's go, my waifu. Amazing. I love that. I just love to see it. Yo, let's go. You're redeeming yourself now with everything that I don't like about this box. You're just going strong into the waifus that I do like. And that was only the start of this pack. I didn't have very much doubles from the first box, which happens barely with that amount of cards. And I already now putting almost in each pack a double of a SR that I already got, which wasn't the case with the first box, which was quite refreshing and good. So I think there are less cards in this set of at least the SR rarity that we can get, and because that would explain why I'm getting this sick third time in a row. Alright, Fate character, sure. Don't think that's the double, so that's cool. Another double. Oh, okay. Well, thank you, I guess. Woo! Not gonna lie, the first box is way better than this one. Like, only if you... This looks sexy. How? Why? In a one pack? Man. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. Only if you consider just the amount of doubles I got, and I only opened half of the box, the first box is better. Demon Slayer, cool. Another double. At least those are not doubles, so thank you for not completely destroying me right now. Man, I feel so down because I was very hyped for this set. And look, the whole pack, except for this, thankfully, but still, the whole pack is just a double fest. You know, it's about your expectation. The first box had 108 SR. And that was the reason it felt so refreshing. That is the reason why you would buy like 3 of them, no problem. And you would probably even then miss some SR. That's where it set itself apart. And then the second box drops, and let me see, 54 SR, and which explains why I'm getting a lot of doubles. Kind of. Because 54 is still a large number. Like for comparison, God the Story has, if we are looking, because SR, let me put it that way. Oh, finally, SSR, Jesus. Let me make a comparison. I will still look at the doubles because there's no way I'm gonna get a new SR. Okay, I got the new SR, thank you. Do I need every time to ask you to give me one SR? Yo, SSR, finally! The SR in this set is the lowest rarity. The lowest rarity in God the Story from Little Frog, like the OG God the Story, is R. And in the last NS12 set, like 1v1 set, it was only 18 R cards in there that are new. I think that's a new card, but I'm not sure. Yo, let's go. Now I'm happy. Here we are talking about 54 SRs, which is like triple the amount that is in God the Story. And how the fuck am I getting so many doubles? I just don't get it. What went wrong? Why is this happening? I don't understand. I understand. The first book, you went all out. You did like 108 SR cards. Like, nobody does this. And you did it. And it was something, and you have a great quality. And there was something that, whoa, let's go. Some sexy waifu in here. And there was something that set you apart. Asuka, what the fuck? Why did I say Asuna? It's fine that you do now only 54. That's fine. That's not the matter in here. Yo! The problem here is because I didn't even count. How many? 4 times? 5 times? But that's a nice one. Thank you for that. I didn't get another double. It's like every third card in the pack is a new one and the other ones are doubles. How does it work? So I think something went wrong with distribution to the packs. See, again, third card, a new one, haven't seen that. And the other 3 were all doubles. I don't know why. Funny thing to see. Maybe they did it on purpose, who knows. So that you would buy more boxes, even though they have less SR cards in here. See, again, third card, new one. All other 3 doubles. How? This video opening is not that fun to watch, I think. Sorry guys. I'm just ranting about it. I don't know why, but just that triggered me so much. So double, the next one should be a new one. Yup, that's a new one. So it works almost every time. And a double, a good one. Not gonna lie. Alright. By the way, how come we only have seen TGR and SSRs? We have 4 packs left. There's no other hits in here. Like, no way. No way they fucked this. They fucked even that part up. And I shuffled them. You've seen I shuffled them. And even though I shuffled them, somehow I got back to back this rarity, the TJR, and then I got back to back SSRs. How is this possible? Yo, there we go, ZR, finally. So that would probably mean there's also at least 1 more hit in those 3 packs that are left. I think that's a new one. So either the second card is a new one or the third card is a new one. There we go, another ZR. So now the question is, do we have another hit? Which I doubt. I think there are only 2 in the per box. But maybe, just maybe. Yo! We got an SP Hatsune Miku, let's go! Okay, awesome. See, I shuffled them somehow in a way. All the hits are at the back, at the end of this video. And other rarities went like back to back, the same ones. How is this even possible? I think there is still a hit behind at the end of this package. Yo, EX! That's a new one, I haven't seen that one. Whoa, that looks awesome. Look at that. But if you watch till the end, you're a freaking legend and I love you for that. Thank you. Good luck. Have a good day or night. Both. Have a good both, alright? And I'll see you in another one, Web Traveler.